Cicadas are the loudest insects in the world, and the Mediterranean cicada is not an exception. They spend their life underground, taking sap from tree roots until they emerge. They start crawling in the middle of the night, searching for a place to climb. Their frontal legs are modified to excavate and are very powerful. They crawl in the night, trying to find a climbing spot that they can attach themselves to in order to molt. And as soon as they're done, their exoskeleton starts hardening and they start to pump hemolymph to their wings. As soon as they finish, they reunite and the orchestra begins. You're not so nosy when it comes to that, huh? The grossest part is that because they take so much sap, they are peeing all day. And if you come across them going under a tree, you're probably gonna get sprayed.